Hello everybody, this is a review for anyone who missed classes in week 14. What we did was we set up the final project. Now if you recall in week 13, we actually did a full database. So let's go to week 13, and the ERD is inside there. And you will see that inside this ERD, I have an image. And it's a little bit more in depth than what we did in class in week 14 because I wanted to keep it small. So when we look at week 14, and I can go ahead and go into the database just to remind everybody how we wanted to start simple. So when I log in to my cPanel and I go to my phpMyAdmin, which is the point here, and once it redirects, I can go to my actual database, which is right here. And you see I have forum, posts, and forum topics. So if I click on forum topics, I have ID and topic name. Very similar. Of course, inside our ERD, you see topics had creation date and the user ID that created it. And that's what's required in your project. But for now, for the setup for this week, I wanted to show you how the borrowed key would work with the get method. So that was the topics. Let's look at the post itself, where you will see a borrowed key. Here's the topic ID, and we only added the time of post at the end of class on Thursday. So what we have here is available for download at forum.zip. And when I go in here and I go to forum again, you will see that my code allows a topic, and I can respond to topic cool hat like that and hit cool hat. So it's only two scripts that I have right now, so let's take a look at them. I'm going to go into my FTP, and again, those are in the zip file. So all I'm doing is creating a starter point for you so you know where to start. Now the extra things that are required are in the final project description. So hopefully this loads eventually. I'm retrieving the directory right now, which takes a second. My FTP is pretty strong, so a lot of times the lag is caused by just the server. And here we go. Now we're in. This is forum. And on the home page, I have done the index. And this index simply says select all from the table of foreign topics. And our goal here is to create a link that would separate our posts. So right now what you're looking on the left is the link right here, post.php and topic ID equals topic ID. So when I mouse over and I click on this is topic ID 1, topic ID 2, topic ID 3, topic ID 4. And so all this is a sort of a portal where you can just click on links to show the post for your topic. So let's go back to Wes's hat real quick, and this is the post script. So inside the post script, all I'm doing is pulling from the get method the topic that was selected by the user. That's this line right here. And now what I'm doing is creating a way to get the header. So I'm selecting the topic name from forum topics where the ID is equal to the topic ID. Now notice how I haven't bound any variable here. You'll have to do that on your own. Like I said, this is just the starting point. You would need to fulfill the requirements of the project yourself. So right now I'm executing and grabbing that specific column. Notice how I'm not using a while loop because we're only grabbing one value. And that's how I get Wes's hat. So when I output that, now it's time to show the posts for that hat. So I select post content from forum post where topic ID equals topic ID. Again, I haven't bound any parameter, which needs to be done. So as I loop around the content, I'm simply outputting each post. So I have new topic, hello, cool hat. That's what this is, and we have 4 break tags. So that would need to be improved. Now I also have in this script a way to reply to the topic. So I can say, this is my reply. Notice how it shows in the posts. Also, this is Chris's script. Now I want you to look at the single quote here, okay? When I hit comment, notice how it didn't get into the database. Well, that's because you haven't bound the parameter. PHP PDO preparation statement will add slashes. You just have to bind the parameter. Okay, so you see that we are able to add comments, but we don't have the date of that or the user who did it. So that would need to be done by you. Now, if I go back to the topics right here, which is the forum, you'll see that we don't have the form to add topics as well. So that would also need to be done by you. So what also we went through was the search. This is the search right now. And the form page is actually on the index page. It's way over to the right here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to bring this over and we're going to look for Wes. Let's look for Wes. And we have hooked up with a unicorn the other night on Facebook. Read more. Let's look for Yankees. And we had that very angry interface. So what we did also in the search was to embolden the Yankees, but it said generated results, but I didn't generate how many results. That should be done by you with the count object. The count function inside the SQL query, that would work. So basically I have this and I've left a read more link so that you can actually read more in the post. So that's set up for you as well, which we can go over again. So right now you should have your tables built. You should begin to integrate this and add the things that are necessary. Let's look at the search real quick so you can see the like operator, because that was a major thing that was taught. So inside here is the search. And you will see it's select all from forum posts where post content like, and you see the percentages here? The like takes percentages, and this is basically like a wildcard. It will get anything that has the word inside the script. So the wildcard means one or more characters in each end. If you wanted to see if search ended the string, you could just do that. If you wanted to see if search began the string, you can do that. But the like is a very powerful thing. Now notice I haven't searched through foreign topics either. Anyway, this is the search, and also the pattern right here, the pattern matching, this says case insensitive, and basically what we're doing is replacing anything that has the search term inside our results with the strong tags, and that's how we got the bold. Now I've got to read more here, but I haven't linked anything. Okay, so as we go, you're going to have to add things that I build, but I would definitely build on your own, and a few students are already starting to do that. Keep in mind this is due the Thursday of week 16, which is coming up on us. So we have a starting point. You should know where to go to build, but you need to get in there. You need to roll up your sleeves and get in there, and that's how you can get done with this semester. So that's what we did this week.